Hello. Okay, so today our video is going to be about how to merge from your own branch into the master branch while having several other branches connecting to the master branch, right? So when you're working with other people, ideally everyone's going to be working on their own branch, and once they're done working in that branch, they're going to merge whatever they're working on into the master branch. So for this example, I just commented something out, I just removed it, so we're going to update child dashboard here. So we're just going to say this is example again. Commit to myself, then push to origin. Okay. And all right, it's good to go. So before we actually create pull request, we're going to actually go to master, and we're going to assume that another user who's working on this project may or may not have merged something in. So we're going to fetch origin in master. Let this go through. We're going to go back to our own branch, which is Bobby. We're going to then update from master. We're going to successfully merge master into Bobby. Now we're going to push origin these new changes, right? So push origin that, and then so there will be cases where when you're pushing origin or prior to pushing origin, there'll be merge conflicts. And on GitHub desktop, it's relatively easy to deal with those. Usually it'll give you options as to how to fix those, whether through GitHub desktop or in your IDE. In my case, it would be Visual Studio Code. And basically what would happen is it would tell me where the merge conflicts would be, and then we would deal with that right away, right? So in our case, we will now create pull request because we update from master. So we're going to open this up. It redirects us to GitHub into our own personal repository or personal project repository where it's shared with everyone else. So it is loading up. All right, we can now create pull request. And now, once that is done, we can press this and then press this one more time. And now we are merging that, and that merge is now complete, right? So now all the information that was basically created in my own branch is now on master. And that's pretty much it. So some extra credit you could do is going back to master, fetching origin, and then updating any of those updates, which is basically the updates you did here. Bring those in through master in the master branch here on your local desktop, and then do that again in Bobby where you would update from master. But in this case, we don't technically have to do that because once we make some more changes in our IDE, we'll just follow that flow again, right? Which would be committing, pushing origin, going to master, fetching origin, going back to our own branch, updating from master, then creating pull request. And in the process, or rather before create pull request, there would be push origin, and before push origin there may or may not be merge conflicts, and then you would create pull request, thus leading you to github.com. And so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.